just doesn't feel right to go back to Mbara. It just doesn't feel right. This stuff, nature feels right. Nature feels right. Nature is the most right thing that has ever happened to me. But going to Mbara doesn't feel good. Just doesn't align with who I am. I'm a nature lover. Nature energizes me. Nature recharges me. Like I would die for nature. I think nature knows. But just being in the city is not my thing. Just don't like buildings and stuff. I just appreciate the manifestation of the universe through humans, but I just don't feel right with waking up to a lot of buildings and no nature, nothing, just sunshine burning you from the inside. I just always want to come back to my mother. And I know my mother is nation. Just come back to her. Just hug her. And I know she's listening. Mother, if you're listening, I don't know, just change me for a better human. Just make me a better human being. So that you can manifest your work through me. I want to go to the city to work. I want to be called to go and perform and just do work and make money. But I just want to make crazy amounts of money while online, while just observing and appreciating nature. And I just want to be free from my mind. So this is me being very authentic and very true to Mother Universe. I know you're listening to me. I love you. That is a fact. I love you. And I just want to be a better human being every day. Thank you for giving me another chance to be. I trust you. I swear to anything, I trust you. I just trust you and I love you. I thank you so much for recharging me. I thank you so much for the good energy. Thank you so much for the good vibes. Thank you so much for making me. Thank you so much for solving my challenges. Thank you so much for freeing me from my mind. And I hope if you ever get to watch this, whoever you are, every time life doesn't, you just don't understand what life is. I hope you go to nature and you just talk to her. Just let her see you. Let her just see you. Because we are her children and sometimes we take it all on ourselves. But just sometimes we just need one thing, and that is surrender. And just surrendering to her and just giving her our all and just giving her everything, every fiber in our beings. That's the only thing we need sometimes, surrendering to her, because she knows. She knows today, she knows tomorrow, she knows even when we die, she still knows. Like, I'm not okay right now, but I chose to come here and observe nature because it's the only thing that feels right for my gut. It's the only thing that makes me feel like I'm living. I'm just so grateful that nature is there to calm me down. I don't know shit, but I know nature And I know this is the most right thing like I have ever done and that I can never do every time I don't understand shit. I can always come back here and surrender all. Surrender it all to the creator of all. Just wanna be free from the prisoner, from the concepts that the world, makes for everyone, and from the box that the world constructs for everyone. And I just wanna be, just wanna fly. Bye. Yeah. So yeah, we need more raw moments like this. Honestly, just keep it raw, keep it neutral, keep it natural, keep it chill.